Report of explosion rocks neighborhood in Connecticut, live updates. A report of a large explosion took place in Connecticut, according to CBS affiliate WFSB-TV. The station writes the incident took place Wednesday night on Quinnipiac Avenue in North Haven. The explosion apparently caused an intense fire as well. A large police presence had been in the area involving a barricaded person, WFSB-TV reports. WFSB-TV says at least 4 people were injured at the scene, but details are still forthcoming. Police officials urge residents to avoid the area. Connecticut State Police and SWAT officers have responded to the scene. Images from a WFSB-TV photojournalist show the scene and a large amount of flames. One WFSB-TV reporter caught video of 2 people being taken away in handcuffs, but it's unclear what connection they may have to Wednesday night's explosion. This is a developing story. Please refresh this page often for the latest updates.